Many students qualify academically for college, but not all of them can afford the cost. Tuition, books, housing, and other expenses continue to rise every year. And for many students, financial challenges can become a major obstacle to completing their education. This is why a scholarship request letter is so important. It gives scholarship committees the opportunity to understand not only your academic achievements, but also your goals, financial needs, and determination to succeed. A scholarship request letter is a formal letter written to apply for scholarship assistance. It explains the student's educational goals, academic accomplishments, financial circumstances, and reasons for requesting support. Today, we're going to break down a winning scholarship request letter step by step so you understand exactly how to write one in a professional, persuasive, and respectful way. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the student's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section provides the scholarship committee with important contact information and helps keep the application organized and professional. Always make sure your contact details are accurate, because the organization may need to contact you regarding your application. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is June 3rd, 2026. The date is an important part of any formal letter because it documents when the request was submitted. Recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information. Scholarship Selection Committee. Excellence in Education Foundation, along with the organization's address. This section identifies exactly who will be reviewing the application and ensures the letter reaches the correct department. Including the complete recipient information also helps maintain a professional format. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject: Request for Scholarship Assistance. This is short, clear, and professional. The committee can immediately identify the purpose of the letter before reading the rest of the application. Always make your subject line direct and easy to understand. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear members of the Scholarship Selection Committee, this is a formal and respectful salutation that works well when the names of the individual reviewers are not known. Never skip the salutation because it establishes professionalism from the beginning of the letter. Introduction and scholarship request. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This section immediately explains why the student is writing and identifies the scholarship being requested. The committee should never have to guess the purpose of the letter. The paragraph says, I am writing to respectfully apply for the Excellence in Education Scholarship and to request your consideration for financial assistance as I pursue my undergraduate studies in nursing at Ohio State University. This is a strong opening because it clearly states the scholarship, the educational program, and the purpose of the request. It sounds respectful, direct, and professional. Academic achievements and leadership experience. Next comes the academic background paragraph. Scholarship committees want to know whether applicants have demonstrated commitment and effort in their education. This section highlights academic performance, leadership activities, and community involvement. The paragraph reads, Education has always been one of my highest priorities. Throughout high school, I maintained a strong academic record while actively participating in community service activities and student leadership programs. I graduated with a cumulative GPA of 3.92 and served as president of the Health Careers Club, where I helped organize volunteer projects and health awareness events for local residents. This paragraph works well because it provides specific achievements rather than general statements. Notice that the applicant mentions both academics and leadership experience. Scholarship committees often look for well-rounded students who contribute beyond the classroom. Educational goals and career motivation. Now let's move into the next paragraph. One of the most important things scholarship providers want to understand is why the applicant has chosen a particular field of study. This section explains the student's motivation and long-term purpose. The paragraph says, My decision to pursue a degree in nursing stems from a desire to make a meaningful difference in people's lives. During my junior year of high school, I volunteered at a community health clinic and witnessed firsthand the impact that compassionate healthcare professionals can have on patients and families. That experience strengthened my commitment to entering the healthcare field and motivated me to pursue a career dedicated to patient care and community health. This paragraph is effective because it tells a personal story while remaining professional. Instead of simply saying, "I want to be a nurse," the applicant explains what inspired that goal. That makes the application more memorable and convincing. Financial need and challenges. Next comes another extremely important section of the scholarship letter. Scholarship providers need to understand why financial assistance is needed. This paragraph explains the applicant's financial situation honestly and respectfully. The paragraph reads, "Although I am fully committed to achieving my educational goals, financing my college education presents a significant challenge. My parents work hard to support our family, but the rising costs of tuition, books, housing, and other educational expenses place a considerable financial burden on our household. To contribute toward my education, I have worked part-time while completing my studies, but additional financial assistance is necessary to help me continue my academic journey without excessive financial hardship." This paragraph works well because it explains the challenge without sounding demanding or overly emotional. When discussing financial need, always remain respectful and factual. Impact of receiving the scholarship. Now let's move into the next paragraph. This section explains how the scholarship would help the student achieve their goals. Scholarship committees want to know that their support will make a meaningful difference. The paragraph says, "Receiving this scholarship would allow me to focus more fully on my coursework, clinical training, and professional development opportunities. It would also reduce the need for additional student loans and help me graduate with greater financial stability. Most importantly, it would bring me one step closer to achieving my goal of becoming a registered nurse and serving communities in need." This is a strong paragraph because it clearly shows the positive impact the scholarship would have. Rather than focusing only on financial relief, it connects the scholarship to future success and service. Character, values, and final support paragraph. Next comes the final main paragraph. This section highlights the applicant's personal qualities and reinforces why they would be a strong scholarship recipient. The paragraph reads, "I believe that hard work, perseverance, and a commitment to helping others have shaped both my academic achievements and personal character. If selected, I would be honored to represent the values of your scholarship program and use this opportunity to continue striving for excellence in both my education and future career." This paragraph is important because it leaves the committee with a positive impression of the applicant's character and values. Scholarships are often awarded not only based on grades, but also on integrity, determination, and future potential. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the scholarship committee for reviewing the application. The paragraph says, "Thank you for taking the time to review my application and consider my request. I sincerely appreciate your support of students pursuing higher education and would be grateful for the opportunity to receive your assistance." This is a strong closing because it expresses gratitude and professionalism. Always thank the committee for their time and consideration. Closing and signature. The letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely, Mia Foster." This formal closing helps complete the letter in a professional manner. Never forget to include your full name at the end of your scholarship request letter. And that's how you write a strong and professional scholarship request letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.